Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro using your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write Xiaomi. Now search, scroll down and you should install this application. Now open it, read and agree. Choose your region and then click Next. Skip, allow, add earphones, agree, while using the app. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!